Hey there, hungry folks. Most of you know about shaken cucumbers. And there are a few recipes for shaken zucchini floating around the internet right now. I've sampled a variety of dishes, and while everyone's tastes differ, I honestly feel that this one comes out on top as the best. So for this dish, we definitely need some fresh zucchini. Plus, we need vinegar too. Regular table vinegar is just fine for our purposes. Fresh dill or dried as an alternative. We'll need sugar, which can be a low-calorie version, like birch sugar or common sugar. Onions, mustard seeds, which I find very important, and also pepper and salt. To prepare, all we need to do is peel and finely dice the onions. The dill, after washing and shaking it dry, will also be chopped, either with a mezzaluna or like I do, with my beloved herb scissors. Contrary to popular belief, zucchini don't need to be peeled, but they can be. I peel mine partially. Then cut them in half, trim the ends, and remove the seeds. A tablespoon works great for this. You'll find that this great tool is absolutely perfect for the job. Next, we'll slice the zucchini into thin slices that are approximately 5 mm thick maximum to get the right consistency. I'll speed this up now so we can move on. Now we're ready. Grab a nice, sealable bowl and gently toss in those beautifully cut zucchini pieces. Once they're nicely nestled in, we'll move on to the fun part, adding the other delicious ingredients. First, we'll generously sprinkle a good amount of salt over them, followed by tossing in about 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds. The diced onions are, of course, super important and go in as well. Next, we'll add the sugar, pour the vinegar over everything, and season to taste with more or less pepper. I love a little spicy note in my shaken zucchini. Remember the dill, which brings that fresh, vibrant flavor. It goes in now too, adding the perfect touch. And that's it. So now, go ahead and put the lid on nice and snug, seal it tightly, and give everything a hearty shake, just like it's named. Then, pop it in the fridge to marinate for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow the flavors to deepen beautifully. Once that time has passed, take the bowl out and give it one more good shake. And when you open it, you'll be greeted by a wonderfully aromatic scent. You can then see the finished shaken zucchini. When you finally present this dish to your friends, feel free to shower it with some fresh dill on top. Trust me, they'll be begging for seconds. A generous spoonful of sour cream, smooth creme fraiche, or rich schmand goes perfectly with this dish. It's great on its own, but it makes a delightful side for grilling. It's a wonderful way to prepare zucchini and is just as good as shaken cucumbers. I truly hope you really enjoy making it as much as I do. See you next time. Bye bye.